Okay, so tonight we're having tofu lettuce plates, and what I showed you guys on another video is how to press the tofu so that it's dry. So what I did is I took sesame oil and I sauteed some green onions, and then I put the tofu in there in crumbles and I sauteed it. Now I've added carrots, ginger, cucumber, cilantro, and green onions. And you just cook it very lightly with some soy sauce in there. And so what we do is we plate it with brown rice, which I cooked earlier, and you can do this warm. You don't have to have it cold. This is probably still warm, I'm guessing, because the tofu dish is going to be warm. So we put the brown rice on our lettuce, and I've got organic Bibb lettuce here. You could use romaine lettuce if you wanted, but you can see this makes a big plate. And I'd say this serves probably 4 people, and generously. And tofu, this is going to be about 8 to 10 grams of protein per serving. And it calls for peanut sauce, which you can do peanut sauce, but we have some plum garlic Thai sauce, so we're going to put that on there tonight. But if I do peanut sauce, since sometimes what I'll do is do the peanut sauce and then put chopped peanuts on here as well. And that's a great summer dish. So try your tofu pressed, crumbled, and sauteed. All right, follow me on to Divine Farmer Health.